Hello everybody, it is everybody's favorite golf daddy, TenTillDeath, and this is a GarageBand Masterclass. And in this video, I am going to teach you how to not only make your own beats, make your own instrumentals, make your own songs, but also full-on fledge out your own albums on your iPhone device. Now you're probably wondering, what gives someone like me the authority to teach you? Well, let me show you. You hear this?
Propaganda, these masses call it Fox News, NBC, so idiotic.
This? This? Guess what? I made that all on my iPhone with just my iPhone and my microphone. And guess what else I've also made on my iPhone? Full-on albums. So, in this masterclass lesson, I am going to teach you the basics of GarageBand, mixing on GarageBand, how to make your own songs on GarageBand on iOS, and how to make your own albums, and even how to publish your music to get on streaming platforms. Let's begin.